Welcome back. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. So you want to talk about winning. You want to talk about adoption. You want to talk about whether crypto is going to be something that is a fad or is just something that basically sticks around. The debate is over. This right here is a Porsche, folks. This is a Porsche, okay? One of the most expensive cars out there. Now, we already know that, Elon Musk is out here accepting Dogecoin for Tesla, but they just announced now, look at this headline. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin now accepted by Porsche dealer. Come on now. Now, let's read a little bit of this article and see what's going on here. Let's look at this. It says... Baltimore-based Porsche dealer Porsche Townsend has announced a partnership with Bitpay. Look how many people are winning here. We have a video on this channel about Bitpay. If you check that out, if you're not familiar with it, but basically it allows small companies or even individuals to create accounts that would allow them to accept various cryptocurrencies. So here we have a Porsche dealership utilizing BitPay to accept Doge and Shiba Inu. This is a big win for Shiba Inu, a big win for Doge, and a big win for BitPay. This is proof of BitPay's use case. So it says Porsche Townsend, Baltimore only exclusive Porsche Center has partnered with cryptocurrency payment processor BitPay in order to accept digital assets, according to an announcement made earlier this Tuesday. Notably, the dealership, which offers both new and used Porsche cars, now accepts Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, the most popular meme coins on top of more conventional cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Last March, BitPay processed a total of 76,583 payments. As of January, Bitcoin accounted for more than half of the company's transactions. So, back in 2013, a family in Austin made headlines after selling their 2007 Porsche Cayman S for 300 Bitcoins, 12.4 million at the time of writing. Since then, various car dealerships around the world have embraced cryptocurrencies. Folks, I'm not going to get in this. This is really a great article. It goes into NFTs. It talks about the history of this happening. And I just wanted to bring this to your attention. So, because you are likely to run into naysayers that talk about this is just a fad. It's not a fad, okay? This is a Porsche, okay? Folks, this is a Porsche. You can buy a Porsche with Shiba Inu. You can buy a Porsche with Doge. You can go and bootstrap your business with BitPay and make something happen for your own business. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. And we'll catch you on the next one.